Hey everyone, welcome back. Before I dive into the chart here, please like and subscribe to the channel. Guys, what a turnaround. I mean, I hope you guys were buying the dips, baby, because that's how you make the fat stacks. When all the fucking sissies are out here saying run for the hills, that's where all the fat stackers come in. All right, let's go into the chart. Okay, so today, guys, like I said, what a turnaround. I mean, this market is absolutely nuts. And in my opinion, this is the kind of market where you make the big money. If you have the patience, right? That's when you capitalize. And I've been saying, guys, all this short-term bullshit, look at this chart, okay? Long-term, that's how you make the big money. 5-year outlook, 3-year outlook, right? Sure, okay, we go up and down, yada, 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 up, down. Okay, like, don't panic. You buy the dips, okay? Anything under 1,000, in my opinion, great buying opportunity. If you were buying, guys, this morning at $8.50, good for you. I mean, I have no cash set to the side, but, like, that is a beautiful price point. I personally didn't, and I'm going to admit to my mistakes here, I didn't think we were going to get down that low. I mean, guys, what an absolutely we got earnings coming up. Hopefully they're positive. If not, that's okay. I mean, like, this is a long-term company. I'm not too worried. I think they're going to be very nice, but we will see. So what happened today? We were opening low. Then we came down. Let me just open up the hourly here. Again, guys, I like to do these like in-depth kind of look at the stocks, but it's all about the long term, right? So we opened red, we came down even harder, and then boom, the money came in, and look at this. We rallied at the end of the day here, right? So I don't like to look at the hourly. I like to look at the dailies, okay? And you can see, look at what we bounced off of, really nice. And I've said this a bunch of times. We had the golden pocket here, right? Look at this. So not only did we hit that huge support area here at this trend line, we also finished above the golden pocket right here, which is huge. And at first, it looked like we were, before the day started, we actually had what looked like a inverted head and shoulders pattern, right? Because that's the shoulder, head. Unfortunately, it looks like that's not happening anymore because of this price action this morning. But either way, I still think, even if this is a dead cat bounce, what? So if it's a dead cat bounce, like, look at how oversold the markets are right now, right? How often does the NASDAQ get below 30? Look at this. Look how far back we have to go to see the NASDAQ below 30. It's like here, right? Like, it's not very frequent. So look at this fib retracement. Look at this. We hit so from here to here, right? We hit that 100% retracement level, and we bolted back up, and the RSI indicating way oversold. Guys, in my opinion, I think when the rhetoric is out there is fear, panic, boom, pull the trigger. My opinion, sure, we could have a dead cat bounce, go down a little more, but buy the dips. Think about where these companies are going to be in 5-10 years. Here's the thing, right? So if you need the money right now, it's like those gambling commercials, right? Where it's like, play within it or whatever, know your limit and play within it. If you're going all in and have no money left, then, well, of course, you're going to be sweating for every dip. But if you understand that the market's volatile, especially when you're in the tech sector and the NASDAQ as a whole, it's more volatile. So you're going to get those big swings. Are you willing to get in when the swings are happening? You know, like, for example, I've been buying Ethereum on the dip. Look at Ethereum right now, okay? It's down like 50-60% from the top. So, guys, you got to have conviction in what you're investing in. And look, this is another important thing. I drew this out. It's very important. Here's the previous top, right? Look at what we're bouncing off of right now, the previous. And again, another important thing, the support line. Even if it's a dead cat bounce, I do not see us, and a lot of people in the comments want to talk, but I don't see us dropping below this, right? I just do not see it. And if it does, well, to me, the lowest we will go is 800. Maybe if there's a huge crash, yeah, okay, we break down and go down to like 500. But until that happens, okay, I don't see it happening, you know? So in my opinion, buying the dips is a great play. And guys, listen, believe in what you are seeing within Tesla's growth, right? Like, we're seeing record revenues. We're seeing record deliveries. One thing that isn't spoken about enough, especially in the media, is Tesla's ability to reduce the amount of parts it takes to construct the car. So they're not just like putting together better revenues, but the amount of money per car they're keeping is going up drastically because they're reducing the amount of how do I say that? What is it? Like the amount of parts per car, right? So they're just better at engineering than any other auto manufacturer out there. And that's another thing is people keep talking about how they're an automaker. It's like, yeah, but they're not just an automaker. So that there's a lot of things that when people try to price Tesla and say it's overvalued, they just aren't thinking about the big picture and what this could be. So guys, I'm super excited. I'm telling you, this golden pocket is a big, big support for Tesla. Same with this. And we're going to see what earnings do. I don't want to put a price prediction out there, but I'll say this. I still think we're going to 1,600 this year. Not sure when, but that's my price target. And then 2,000 is my bull case. So guys, let's go. Let's make some fat stacks. Like and subscribe to the channel.